Second item should be this one. It's a VIOFO Smart Car Charger with a safety hammer. So I don't think you can find this in the market with the cup charger with the two cigarette port with the voltage meters and also 4 USB. Okay, this is okay, it comes with the, it's not so long, and this one is a bit thick and then long. I don't think this one should be fitted to my car because I need to somehow modify this or to make it longer. Because I have a plan to use a Power Magic Pro. Later, this is to be the third item to be reviewed and installed. Okay, let's see the device. Very simple, I think, like this, and just a simple manual book, Chinese, English. Okay. So this is one of the kind that you will not able to find this in the market unless you get this from VIOFO. This is the voltmeter, cigarette port too, and for USB 2.4 everything. So I think the reason I get this also, I'm going to direct connect my VIOFO A119 to here, and this is the safety hammer. So in case of emergency, you can use this and break the glass. This is not good. Oh, it seems to be really, the screw there is, this part, from this part is break. Oh, not really good. Yeah, it's a break. This is a screw, and the place to hold this one is come out, 3 of them. Okay, I need to ask VIOFO about this. But anyway, I give a look on my car how it's supposed to be installed. Okay, not good. Okay, this is my current setup for the right now. This is the cup charger with the 3 USB. Claim to be this one is a smart output and 2.4 smart, but I'm not sure whether this is very legit for the cup charger. And this one to charge this power bank. Usually I move it my camera to here when I do a parking mode, but I will do some using the Power Magic Pro later on. And so this one is a bit small profile for the power port. Connect to bottom of here inside, conceal here in between. I need to take out this one. take out and put in the cable inside to the thing, and then it will go through to this part area, and then going to circle back to here. So it's making a U shape and then going circle back and then power it through here. Because IONIQ got a 2 power charger. Okay, but I will not put in here. I might put it inside the below, inside there. Put it inside there. In here, I will install the Power Magic Pro inside this compartment. So the cable will be run through from here to here and going inside. So let's take a look on this one. Because it doesn't really fit, I think. Let me take it out, this whole cable first. So this is square, this is rounded. So this one is fit, but the cable from here, I need to, and furthermore this is big enough, and I don't think it's fit in. I need to ask the Viofo why they give me it seems to be really broken. Anyway, I see how maybe I need to modify or somehow to certify this compartment. I cannot be putting this. I also still need the power bank here. Even I do this, it's not really convenient, and the cable is not long enough. Still not long enough. Okay, and see how it goes. Okay, let's test it out, this one, because I never tested. Even it seemed to be broken from the factory or somehow. I will contact you for how they will respond on this. Okay, let's put it here. Remove the drink can. Okay, I don't think really like this cigarette port. I mean, especially for the cable. It's quite long for this one, and this one I try to find in the market. This is must be DIY. This is the shortest I can find. Then also there's a button here, and I use it for 2 of them on here as well. If imagine this one is using this one, this will be very long cable until like this. So the reason is I like this kind of thing. Small. Then also there's a button you can control here to on and off this charging. And furthermore, my compartment here, this is for the phone wireless charging. It cannot be so long, this kind of a cigarette port. So it can put in the phone here, but it doesn't really nice. Okay, so now my existing actually is coming from here to here. So I put it here. This is the voltmeter, and then the voltmeter also, and the temperature meter. And there's another USB port here. so you can charge the phone and then put in for the normal phone. This is wireless charging. So let's power up. Okay, my indicator showing about 12.2 on here. This is 12.2 also, 12.1. Okay. Okay, nice color. Also got a blue light reflected, so you can see when plug it in. Quite like actually for this one. Very nice on this shape, especially the voltmeter, the surround circle with this blue, very matching with my car, because there's a blue trim on my car for the IONIQ, so it's very matched. But the bottom part I don't really like. The shape is like this. If they make it round like this one, circle, flat, it should be nice. I like it, the bottom part, so it's with the safety hammer. That's a good idea, but it doesn't really matter about the shape. But for my concern is now the cable is cannot fit in here. I would not put it here also, because you can see this is not the good placement. This is the best placement for IONIQ. The reason is they already make it this part compartment somehow. They really good. IONIQ, Hyundai really make this car very good. So the only part is find the right accessories, and if you're not really compatible, then I will need to do a DIY to modification. Okay, let's power up my Viofo in the back. The camera should be this one. I want to see whether it's flickering or not. Okay. Okay, it seems to be not really flickering. I put 1 minute, 1 second is off. But looking at my phone, it doesn't really can see the flicker. In real eye, I can see it's a bit flickering. I still think that need to do some review on this. This is already version 2 with the replacement kit and with the Viofo car charging. But its only difference is I'm using the 5 meters USB cable instead of 4. But I think I need to see the recording, see whether it can readable or unread. Okay. Okay, after checking also the cable on here, and with this sample of this is normal AC power, so it's quite different. That one is so small and this is so big. I'm not sure how to make idea of this connection. Maybe I need to hardwire to here, but now it's really like open like this. Not sure why. Okay.